And this story has given by that is our Prabhupada, Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur. And from this story, he has given a very important lesson, shiksha, spiritually. We find in this world so many living entities, so many elements in this world. Then you can find there is you see just like a monkey. So generally we know the monkey, when it gives the child a cup, and when that monkey is going here and there and jumping one branch to other tree, other branch, at the time the child monkey, the cat, that monkey, child monkey, itself is catching her mother through its legs and hands. And for that, mother is not going to take care of anything. He is only going here then, but completely it has depends to the child monkey. And we can find that. And also we find this another. It is opposite. You see the cat. And when cat is going to give giving child, and cat also going here and there, and the child of the cat, what is doing? But child cat is not catching the mother of her. So mother itself, and through her mouth is taking the her cup or her child and moving here and there. And sometimes you can find the child is completely just like when it is going here there, it is just like a dead child. But in this way, and the cat is taking her child here there. So two things we find here, but it is different. So what Shiksha has given the Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur here. And in this world, there is so many sampradayas there. And sampradaya. And long ago, we can also find some sampradaya here in Raj. So they are a disciple, and they are great acharyas. They have preached in this world, and there is no, if you do the perfectly and sadhana and worshipping sadhana to the God, so by yourself, by own sadhana, you can get the all kind of siddhi, and we can get relief from your ocean and samsara samudra. Therefore, there is no necessary for the help and mercy of God. So like this they have preached. So those who are preaching like this, so they are in the belong to and category of that, just like the monkey is catching that is her cup. So that is like this is. This is market bath. Similarly, this another we can find, just like a cat is taking its cup here and there. So there some people also, some sampradaya also, they are so much. So the God is do everything, and God will do everything, and we have no need to do any sadhana. So no need to try anything. So by the grace of God, we can get what is called relief, and we can get successful of our what is called a problem, and we can get siddhi. So like this. So we can these two things, but actually according to the Vaishnava scripture and according to Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Acharyas, is both are not completely success and sufficient, and both are, they can't reach to the God, they can't get success. Therefore, the Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, what he has said, no, it is not like that. So, that is the mercy of Bhagavan also necessary, and our sadhana also, and saranagati also. So, from how we should be surrender, complete saranagati to God, depend to the God, and we also should be do sadhana, and God mercy also there. So, God mercy and our sadhana and surrender and saranagati both combined, if we do, then we can get relief, and we can attain to the God, and we can get the bhakti. So it is it is not like that is others too. And same thing also our Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami said very nice. And when a person is fall down in that oil and is trying so much to be coming out, but is unable to come out, then some person has seen him, one person is fall down in that oil. He is trying but is not able to come out. Then what had happened? To help him, he has given one rope to catch him. And the rope has given, and he taken the help, and from the outside this man is then he can come out. Suppose if he is giving the rope, he going to say, okay, I am not going to be catch. And so he cannot come out. So he should be also catch, he should be also try, and from the outer who is up, he should be also help. So who is the person who is top? He is the form of Guru and Bhagavan. And who is the person living entity, the soul in fall, he in falling down, and he should be also trying to catch. So that is Guru Kripa, Bhagavan Kripa, and Sadhana and Saranagati. Then we can get. So this is the Shiksha has given to the through this Katha, this story. So this history. So we, by the help of God and by the help of our sadhana, we can go to the God. Alone our sadhana also can't do. If we are not going to sadhana, also not. So this is the story. Jai Shri Krishna.